Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Beijing and welcome to Infiniti. Today marks another important milestone for Infiniti in China. We are launching the all-new QX50 built in China for our customers here in China. The QX50 launch is one of the first steps to a significant expansion of our model portfolio. We are planning to launch 5 new vehicles in the next 5 years here in China, or as we say, 5 in 5. With this model offensive, Infiniti will also expand its dealer network to more than 200 outlets, almost double from where we are today. And as part of this expansion, we will shift to electrification, and we will launch from 2021 onwards every single new Infiniti with electrified or electric powertrains. We are confident with our electrified powertrains, we will give our customers exactly what they want: low and zero emissions, high performance, and class-leading innovations. By the year 2025, we plan to sell more than 50% of all Infinitis globally with electrified powertrains.
The QX50 is the most important vehicle we have ever launched, and it embodies everything the brand stands for. It has a beautiful design, advanced technology, empowering to drive. I am proud to say the all-new QX50 is built in China for China. It reinforces our presence in the market and is a major step in our commitment to increase local production.